With Easter just around the corner, I wanted to bring you some fun and creative ideas to make and to add to your passive income. In this video, I'll be showing you some Easter invitations, both printable and digital, fun activities, and photo booth templates that you can sell that people will enjoy with their family and friends. Hey y'all, I'm Brittany. Welcome back to my channel. And if you're new, subscribe. And to all of my returning viewers, hey besties. Okay, y'all, let's get to it. Okay, so for this design of my template, I just simply started with a little cute bunny rabbit and I placed him at the bottom here. I just typed in Easter Bunny in the elements and there you can find him and many more like him if you would like to. And because I wanted to have a cute little special message included inside of my invitation, I decided to go with a cute little poem. And you can see my poem edited here. And here I just basically thought it would be a really cool idea to highlight the important details of this invitation, just to add a little bit of that Easter flair to it, and an Easter little flavor with the little pastel colors. And you can do the same. And I'm just admiring, I always just get like a distant view, a bird's eye view of my design. And you'll see me doing that a lot here. So now what I'm going to do is add a heading. And because this is an Easter party, I'm going to type in Easter party at the top here. And I thought it would be really, really cool to separate the Easter and the party between the bunny ears. And I'm just adding my color to give it a little bit more pop and a little bit more color, because Easter is full of colors, which is so cool and awesome. And so now I'm just gonna use this cute little bunny rabbit here. And I thought he was so cute and so special because he resembles the bunny at the top. They are not the same bunny rabbits, but however, they do resemble each other. So it looks perfect to me. So I'm just adding a couple of other elements, like some cute rabbit feet. And I think I need some grass. So here is where I'm going to just type in grass. You can type in Easter grass and it will give you things that look more Easter-esque, like with eggs and things. So yeah, that's an option. Now I do want to let you guys know that I've already added some Easter eggs, and all you have to do is type in Easter eggs into the elements section and click on graphics, and you will have a multitude of Easter eggs to choose from. I didn't include that part, but I did want to let you guys know that. And this is the result of the finished template. What do you guys think? Is this something that you guys would ever do in Easter invitation? Would you guys ever have a poem? Okay, so I really want to read the poem to you, and it says, just to be brief, I'll do the first 3 lines. It says, hop on over, don't delay, it's time to celebrate Easter Day. We're having a party that's oh so sweet, filled with treats and good things to eat. I loved making this template, it was so fun. The second template is a game called Would You Rather? And I came up with a few questions that I thought were pretty fun to decide between the two. Now this part, you can get creative or you can just simply use ChatGPT. But I basically just took my information and I just placed it on a document. Now here is where you place your text boxes where you want your questions to be. I'm just going to duplicate it and I'm just going to let it do the legwork for me. Okay, so I placed in my information here, as you can see. And I've just basically placed a row of the word or in between each question. And I'm just finding something that is nice on the eyes when it comes to the different kinds of fonts that I'm going to be using in my template. And I think cursive is pretty cute, but I just wanted something that was kind of plain. So all you got to do is just right click, select, drag, and you can change the font of all of your text here. So I'm basically aligning my title and just playing around with it, which I'm pretty sure you guys will do. And I'm just making sure that everything is where I want it to be. Now I do want the title to pop, so it's not going to look nothing like this when I show you the finished result. So you see, okay? So I made 2 different ones, only for variety purposes. Have you guys ever made any templates like this? Would you ever make any games and sell them in your Etsy shop? Is this the first time that you're here? And if you guys are enjoying this video so far and you're loving the content that I'm giving, well, hit that thumbs up button then. All right, so let's learn how to make an Easter foldable template. Okay, so I created maybe like 4 designs that I wanted to show you guys. So we have all these cute little, look at the little peeps, and you could just put your pictures of your sweet little babies or your family pictures inside and show your friends or family. Okay, so you're gonna go to custom and put in 2 by 6 inches, and you get this small little template here. And I'm just gonna go to elements, and we're gonna begin to add our boxes. So these are frames. So if you have like a picture or anything and you want to place it into a frame and get it to take shape of that frame, you would simply just type in frames and just find any shape that you would like to place your picture in, and it will just suck your picture up and your picture will take the form of the lovely shape. So as you can see, I've added 3 boxes here, 3 frames, excuse me, and I have colored it black, and I added my favorite little bunny rabbit here, and I just basically sized it and adjusted it. And so now I'm going to add some cute little polka dots. At first I was going to go with white, and then as you see I didn't choose white this time, so I chose something a little bit more colorful because Easter is full of colors. So you can use any kind of other graphic design or polka dots, or you can find whatever you want. And I did a second one because I'm just a Libra like that, and I'm just never satisfied with one. I'm like a Canva head, okay? It's like, oh, I created one, and I'm just like bulking it up and making others. So that is what you see here. And so I'm just sending the design backwards. So in order to get it behind the frame, you would click up to position and hit backward, and it goes behind your frames. And there you have it. That was so simple and easy. I cannot talk. Guys, do not laugh at me. I am your bestie. Look at me. Okay, so now I'm just adding a text box at the top that says Happy Easter. And I'm so excited, guys, because Canva has so much in store and so many new different things that look at this text. That was not there. Look at that outline text. If it was there, I've been living under a tree. But I don't think that was there before. But you guys let me know. Is that new? Because I don't, maybe it isn't new. Either way it goes, you see this cute little baby in her little Easter dress. You just apply your picture and boop, it'll pop right in. And when you sell these, your customers will be able to upload it, and you can share it with them and unlock it, and they will be able to pop their little babies in that picture, or their family in that picture. And some of the elements that I used were pro elements, but that's okay. You guys don't have to have the pro to make your template beautiful. You know, you just got to find what catches your eye. And also, I wanted to add that some of your customers will print these at home or a local print shop. However, if you are okay with adding their personal pictures, then do as you see fit, which is something else that you guys can add to your shop. Or you can just add them to their file, and they can upload it themselves and add more of their own, of their own pictures. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope you found this to be easy to do. And I know that all of you can do this. It only takes a few minutes. So go ahead and start creating. And if you liked this video, if you loved this video, give me a thumbs up. And if you have yet to subscribe, please do so for more content like this. Also, leave me a comment, guys. I love to talk, and I would love to connect with you and all of you. I do respond, so if you want to go ahead and leave me a comment, please do. I would love to talk to you. You guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you for coming. And I hope that you guys have a wonderful day and happy creating. Go ahead and make those Easter templates and sell them. All right.